Welcome to Godwin Tech. In today's teaching, I'm going to walk you through on how to cast mobile screen on laptop on Windows 11. So if your computer runs Windows 11 operating system, this video will help you on how you can mirror the screen of your smartphone on that laptop. Please, before we go into the video fully, I would like to make a request. If you are watching my channel for the first time, or you have been watching this channel but have not subscribed to it, please do so, because it will help in the promotion of this my channel, and I know you want my success. So if you do, please hit the subscribe button and let's keep moving. Okay, here is my computer screen. So the next step I have to take now is to download an application that will allow me to cast the screen of my phone on my computer that runs Windows 11 OS. Okay, so and the application we are going to be using is what is called Let's View. So open your browser and visit letsview.com and download the app. But please note, there are so many other applications you can use for this, but I feel this is better off. Okay, so because I've tested it, I've used it in so many situations and I compared it with other applications, but this is better. Okay, so let's view.com. You can see it here, letsview.com. Okay, then as the website opens, let's locate the download button. Okay, then click on the download now. As you click on there, hold on for the application to download. After the download, go to the download section of your PC and get it installed. As you can see, we are done with that. So let me get back to the file explorer of my PC, and once I open there, I get to downloads. Okay, then look at the application here we just downloaded now. So I'll double click on it and then get it installed on this PC. So just follow the on-screen guide and you'll be done at the end. It says when I want to make sure I say yes, so I'll click again, install now. Okay, we are done with the installation of the Let's View app on our computer. You can see that on the screen right now. I can click on open for the application to open, but before then, let's go and install the same Let's View app on our phone. If you're using maybe an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is the same thing. If you're using an iPhone, just visit the iPhone store, okay, the Play Store, the App Store, and then install it on your iPhone, okay. If you're using an Android device, just visit the Play Store, search for Let's View app, and then get it installed under your phone before we continue with the process. Okay, here am I on the home screen of my Android phone. So I'm going to access the app. We need to complete this task through the Play Store. Okay, for iPhone users, get to the app through the App Store as I stated before. So I'll swipe up, then I'll use the Finder search to get to the Play Store. Okay, see the Play Store here. Otherwise, I can still type the name or the app it shows also. I'll tap on it for it to open. Then in this search space, this place it says search for app. I'll tap there and then type Let's View. Okay, that's the name of the application we need. We have already installed it on our computer, so let's install it on this smartphone. So hold on for the application to be shown up. Okay, to show up. See it here, Let's View. Then I'll click on install. So once I click on this install, the application will be installed on this smartphone. and I can access it via the home tab. Okay, so that is that. Okay, the next step you need to take, which is very crucial, is to connect your computer and that smartphone you want to cast on the screen of your computer to one network. Okay, this is basic. If we don't do that, it wouldn't work. And now let me break it down. When I mean connecting to one network, is this: if you have a Wi-Fi hotspot device, okay, that gives internet connection to your computer and to your phone at the same time, just turn on the hotspot of that device. Okay, then let me work on the computer on. Come down to this quick action center, click on that spot, then you can see, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Okay, the Wi-Fi of the Windows 11 computer. Here I have already turned it on. Then click on this arrow that points towards the right. Okay, click on that spot. This will show you some available hotspots. But here GTech is one of them, and I have already got it connected. Okay, so in your own section, the hotspot device may show up here. Just click on the name, enter the password, click on that, enter the password, and connect it. And you will still do the same thing on your phone so that they will be on the same network. That's what it means to be on the same network. If you're not on the same network, you cannot proceed further. These mirroring of the screen on the Windows 11 computer cannot work. So do it. Here am I on the home screen of my smartphone. Okay, what I will do here is to turn on the Wi-Fi to ensure that it is on the same network with the one of the Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. I will swipe down from the top, then I will press and hold on the Wi-Fi. This, then I will toggle on the Wi-Fi functionality. This will dictate some devices whose network are turned on. So GTech is one of them, as you can see here, and it's connected automatically. But in some situations, if you are if you are connecting for the first time, once the device name shows up here, you tap on it, type in the password, and connect. But here I have connected this device to this my phone before, so that's why it got connected automatically. So let's get back to our PC and continue the other processes. Okay, since we have connected both our phone and the computer on the same network, the next step we need to take right now is to start the mirroring. Okay, so and how we are going to do that is to open the Let's View app on your computer, so on your laptop. So double click on it for it to open. So after it has opened fully, as you can see here, it has opened. The next step, what you need to notice here is it is on the phone screen monitoring by default. Then this PC, the name of the PC is Let's View Mic, and the Wi-Fi is GTech, which is the same functionality the smartphone is connected to. Okay, so now go to your phone and then open the Let's View app as well. So tap on it for it to open. Sometimes it may detect your PC automatically, the laptop automatically, but if it does not, just click on the redetect button. So it will detect your computer name, which is in this situation, Let's View Mic. So under connections, that's where you see the device name, the computer, the Windows 11 computer name, the Windows 11 laptop name. Okay, so click on that name, that Let's View Mic. In this situation, then you'll be shown some two options: phone screen monitoring and computer screen monitor mirroring. Sorry, phone screen mirroring and computer screen mirroring. So our interest is to cast the screen of our phone to the PC. Okay, so tap on phone screen mirroring. Okay, so you can see on the screen, click on the start now on the screen of your phone, then on the PC to do the same. As you can see, the screen of my phone is now mirrored on the computer. So anything I press on this phone, or anywhere I get to on my phone, will be mirrored on my PC. So these are just the few steps you need to take to cast the screen of your mobile on a computer or on a laptop that runs Windows 11 operating system. It's just as simple as that. Once you follow the steps, you will get the job done at the end. Okay? Please, if you are watching my channel for the first time, or you have been watching some videos on this channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button, as that will make a great change to my channel, positive one. Okay, then still like this video if it helps. If you have any comments, please drop it in the comment section. I will appreciate that. Thank you and see you next time.